All right, American history folks. Here you are looking at the American History to Google Classroom. This is the banner you'll see on our homepage. It shows immigrants carrying flags trying to prove their Americanness. It looks like somewhere in lower Manhattan in New York City, gateway for so many immigrants. That's going to be part of our story this year, studying how many of our ancestors came here from parts of the world, desperate and poor, hoping for opportunity. And of course, that brings us here today. Okay, let's take a look at what we have in front of us. You'll notice that on the page we have upcoming assignments. Some of those are done in class, some of those will be done as homework, but the assignments are due, and the due date is put here. These assignments are due on Friday. There's one more assignment I have to post yet. And you'll notice that you start by looking at the daily post. The daily post, the day is here. This is when I posted it, but the daily post, you'll see what day that's for. Notice I combined Thursday and Friday. No, was it Wednesday and Thursday? Since that some half of you are coming on Wednesday and half on Thursday, and it gives you an idea of what we're going to try to accomplish. It puts it in order and it kind of lays out some expectations. So as you go through here, you'll end up with your assignments, and all of your assignments will be posted here. All materials will be placed on the Google Classroom. So the idea here is we could be in a class, we could be setting a home in a virtual environment, and the structure by which we'll engage will be the same framework. So let's say we're looking at we need to do activity 2. It's right here. There's many ways to get through it. You can click on activity 2 if you'd like to see it that way. And the instructions, just click up here where it says instructions, and it gives you the title, focus and expectations, and it tells you gives you some directions here. Use the video and posted class syllabus, 5 quiz questions, and complete this after the activity that introduces us to our Google Classroom. Everything is right there. So there's a quiz right there, which of course you don't want to do the quiz before you get a chance to watch. There's a video, and then there's the document itself that we'll be looking at in class. If you were at home, you would just be clicking the material and follow the directions and then do the quiz. Generally speaking, a quiz associated with assignments is what you would do last. It's based on your interaction with the material in front of you. So everything will be listed, everything will be done right there. So let's go back. We could also include PowerPoint presentations, links to other materials outside of our textbook, and like there is an activity right here. This one is an online question, so the question is posted right here, and you simply answer it right there. This will be in the form of an online forum. You'll be able to see other people's answers in this case. In some cases, you could respond to them. This is kind of a piece that we'll use for class participation, for discussion. So sometimes we'll be doing these in class just out loud, but for those of us who are not here, this is the way you will engage. For the next couple of days, we'll practice all engaging online so we could feel comfortable with that. So that's a student question. So that's what we're going to find on the Google Classroom. Everything is listed right there. There'll be daily posts, and the latest post goes on top. Assignments, questions, quizzes are all posted here. And if you have any other questions, you want to make sure you email me. Okay, folks, if you have any more questions about Google Classroom, our intent, like everything else, is to make it better, to improve it. And with your help, we'll be able to do that. There'll be a question associated with this video, and you can go ahead, after we're done, you could go and answer. Thank you.